has the potential to revolutionize several aspects of our lives. So, in my opinion, by providing practical space science education, All Nations University is helping to ensure that Africa is at the forefront of this revolution.
We're students from St. Ignatius College, a Jesuit school in Zambia.
We are students of Kobo Girls Presbyterian Senior High School.
We are students under the Dramatic Engineering Department at the University of Zambia.
Africa is really getting closer to space. This African Space Station project is growing to become the biggest online resource for space science education in Africa.
Space education is rarely talked about and practiced in Africa. The All Nations University has set a great foundation for this goal to be achieved.
For me as a Kenyan, I believe this STEM project promotes diversity.
The online tutorial was wonderfully illustrated using animations and clearly explained by the project directors.
The teachers did a really amazing job. They taught us new things that we had never been taught before.
Through this online tuition, we've been able to make our own Yagi Uda antenna, which is able to receive signals from satellites in space.
We believe it is essential for students across Africa.
I am Indrani Bhattacharjee.
And I am Prasanna Chanantere from DPS International Ghana.
One of the things we encountered at the All Nations Universities that were offered to us were the online classes that were very interactive. The illustrations were very clear.
I really encourage students all across Africa to participate in the next program because it is really beneficial.
After an intensive online class, we partook in an online test for which we were rewarded this certificate to show that we have qualified for the beginner's course in an African Space Station project.
I hope that this space program goes across Africa to empower more young minds to do better in the field of space.
It is a need to all African students because it's going to open doors. Various possibilities are going to be opened.
All African students, teachers, schools, and parents engage in space science education today. Don't miss out on this opportunity.
In Swahili we say, inawezekana, which means it is possible.
The target is to reach 1 million students in Africa. Participation is absolutely free. To register your school, all you need to do is to go on the internet. You search for ANUSSTL. It takes you to the All Nations University Space Systems Technology Laboratory page, and you'll see the program there, the African Space Station project. Then you click register now and your school is a part of it.